I'm going to demonstrate how to connect an iPhone to the AllSpark ignition module. From the home screen, tap on Connect to Control. Place your phone in contact with the NFC marking on the control. Keep your device in place until the check mark appears and the app transitions to the Configuration tab. You can then move your phone away from the control. One of the great benefits of the White-Rodgers Connect app is the ability to perform configuration without power before the control is installed in the unit. The app displays all settings that can be configured for the control. On select White-Rodgers controls, the Auto Set feature allows you to enter the part number being replaced. Auto Set will automatically configure the White-Rodgers control to match the original settings of the part. In this example, I'm going to change the system ignition type from intermittent pilot to direct spark and the tries for ignition from 1 to 3. Once configuration is complete, the data must be transferred from the phone to the control. Tap on Update Control and place your phone in contact with the NFC marking. Keep your device steady until a check mark appears, which could take up to 10 seconds. At this point, you can move your phone away from the control. The app allows you to share your new configuration, go back to review the configuration, or return to the home screen.